G'day guys, I'm Ryan Ingleton and this is my lovely wife Amanda.
Hey guys.
And today what we're going to do for you is the most easiest go-to dessert you are ever going to make in your life. This is my wife's magical Mars bar slice. It's a crowd favourite. It's a great one to have for any party or anytime you're sitting around basically having coffee. And she's going to teach you how to, or a wine, and she's going to teach you how to make it with just 4 easy ingredients. Alright guys, now as I said, there was 4 ingredients in this easy go-to dessert. And we're going to kick them off right now. To start with, you need some butter. Now you only need 125 grams. If you're in the States, you're going to need approximately 4.5 ounces. You need a massive block of chocolate. We don't need 2. We're just going to use 1 in this instance, but we thought 2 would look better on the table.
There might not be 1 left in the end though.
There probably won't be 1 left.
I'm not going to dish, but I might eat it.
Amanda, as much as she loves wine, she loves chocolate a lot more. We need Mars bars. Now I do know that they sell them in the UK and they sell them in the States, so they're easy to get to. And you also need a box of rice bubbles. I think in the States they're called Rice Krispies, and the same in the UK. Alright Dale, so let's go through the steps right now.
Alright.
What have you got for us?
Well, first we have to just cut up our butter.
Cutting up the butter.
Is that what you call it?
Call it butter.
How much did you say?
This is her bloody recipe, it's not even mine. We did 125 grams. 4.5 ounces,
I think
guys.
that's about half.
That's halfway.
Yeah.
Halfway, we're
There
cutting
we go.
halfway.
There we go.
There we go.
That's
Alright, that's in the reuse bin.
alright. I'm just gonna.
It's nice and soft because we've had it sitting in front of the fire. It's freezing in Australia at the moment. It's raining outside. Bloody neighbours are out there. They've got a fire going. They're having a great time. And we're inside. So we decided we're going to cook some dessert for the boys. Alright, so you got the butter. What do we do next?
I'm gonna open some Mars bars.
Oh,
Break them in half. Break
we've
them
seen
into
how
pieces.
good I am at opening up the condiments.
Can you do some of these ones?
The condiments in the previous video. Now,
You got to no, you got to
no,
break them up.
I'm passing them to you.
Oh, okay.
You're a good breaker.
Thanks.
What I am going to say is though, in the last video, look, Amanda and I, we drank a little bit too much when we made it, and when the kids ate the burgers, we actually forgot to show you the coleslaw. We forgot to show you the chocolate, mate. Loves the chocolate. We actually forgot to show you the actual coleslaw, and it was actually you, Mike. Mike's from RC Garage that pointed it out to me, even though Amanda did in the editing part of it. But mate, for you, I'm going to show you a picture of the slaw that we made with the Jim Beam. I'll put it in there, and I'll also show the rest of you people out there the last video that we did, showing how to make that.
Hurry up and get that in there.
Alright, hurry up. There we go. I'm always too slow. I talk too much.
No.
Alright, so there's the Mars bars. That's it.
She's going to the microwave.
Is that it? What do we do with this?
That's later. Just melt this in the microwave now. Just melt this down and then I'll show you
Alright,
what
so
to do.
how long do we melt it for?
I don't know. 30 seconds? A minute?
Alright, we're going to try
Until
it.
it's
You know what?
melted.
You know what? We're going to put it on. We're going to tell you how long we had to melt it for. Because I don't know.
Yeah, but every microwave is different, so.
That's true. Ours is 1,000 watt. It's got like massive charges in there. Our electricity bill is massive too, so we must use that thing a lot. So Amanda's going to duck off and do that, and in a jiffy, she'll be back. Alright guys, so Amanda's on her way back now. How long did you need to put that in the microwave for, Dale? The microwave.
About a minute 10, I did.
Minute 10, alright. So you can
now-
see the butter's all melted down.
Can I see that?
Probably not. We've got to get better.
Melted butter and melted Mars bars. I'm just going to mix it up. It's nice and mushy.
Nice.
Is that a good word?
So it's the
Is
word
that,
we've
is
got
that a
to
technical
use.
cooking word? Mushy?
I reckon it's a technical cooking term. Where do we throw the block in?
We're not throwing the block in yet.
I've never done this. I don't know how to make this one. I'm trying to learn it too.
Alright, so.
Look at this. A lot of activity going on here.
Shake
Putting
and
a lot putting a lot of effort into this whisking, this stirring motion. Look at the rice bubbles. The Rice Krispies are going crazy for it.
All right, so we've got to put probably about 3 cups of rice bubbles in, but 1 cup at a time, so you can do that.
Oh,
So
here we go. I've been given
stir it.
instructions. Here we go.
Yeah.
I'm the labourer.
Bloody do something.
Yeah, that's right. I'm the labourer.
Stop talking.
All
Start
right,
bloody
here
doing
we go.
something.
There's 1 cup.
Yeah, we'll
If I
chuck
shake
it
it
in.
down, chuck it in.
Chuck it in.
There we go.
So let me just.
How many have I got? 3 cups to do.
Yeah, just wait.
Oh, here we go. I'm too fast now.
Yeah. Well,
Too fast. All I have to do was tip in the Rice Krispies.
You've
I'm
got
on
it.
top of this now.
Oh, okay. Can you shut up? just stop talking for 1 minute.
It's hard.
Right.
I'm sorry, guys. It's hard.
Ready?
Ready again.
Ready, Ryan.
There we go. Another one again. I'm ready, doll. I feel like I'm at work. I feel like I've got to be on top of everything.
Really?
Yep. I didn't say everyone. I said everything.
Yeah. Okay. All right. 1 more.
You sure? All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
Wow.
Chuck it in.
Do I need any more?
No, I think that'll be plenty.
That's enough?
Yep.
And these are snap, crackle and pop, guys. As you just saw, they're flying everywhere. Like there's stuff going everywhere here with this mixing system. This is not a ThermPro. This is an Amanda Pro.
Yep. All right. This is probably the worst bloody thing to use. Go on the spoon.
Go to the spoon.
Yeah. That's better. All right.
I reckon you're doing well, Dale.
Thanks, honey.
Always tastes amazing.
Yeah. Am I cooking?
Yep.
All right. There's your tray, sweetheart.
There's my tray. All right, when do we use that?
A bit later. Have you? Why do you want to use that?
Oh,
Is
just
this like
I'm
your-
looking why the
is this
ingredients
like
are out
your-
there. I just want to know when we use it.
This is like the bloody onion. When are you going to use it? When are you going to use it? Right, it's coming, all right?
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Tip that into there and make a nice base.
Oh yeah. Here comes the labourer.
Yeah.
Actually,
Come on, show us your skills.
That's Yeah. Look, I'm not really tuned in on this stuff. I've got it out. Is that it?
Now you got to pat. No, you got to pat it all down and make a base.
I haven't got gloves.
You don't need gloves.
Oh, don't I? Okay. All right. So I got to make a
Use the back
base.
of the spoon and just pat it all down so you make a base.
Okay.
So just give it a bit of that.
Just got to slap that puppy down. Use your spoon though. I think this
Make
is.
sure there's no like.
There's no air gaps in it.
Yeah, and try and make it like even, not just like a bloody.
I'm making it even. I can tell you guys, look at that. Write in the comments, guys, whether you think this looks fantastic already. Like, I think I did a pretty good job. I know I'm getting graded pretty highly here, but I think that looks good.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
I'm just gonna go wash up the bowl, and then guess what we're gonna do?
We're bringing out the coleslaw.
Wait.
We're gonna bring out what we didn't bring out before. We're gonna show you the bowl too.
All right. You do that. I'm cleaning this up, and you bring out the coleslaw, and then we'll go from there.
All right, we'll be back in a second. All right, so we've got the tray down pat now, Dale.
Yep.
What do we do next?
I'm gonna crack this sucker open. Oh. I should know how to open these bloody things.
Yeah, I reckon you should. You can go through one a night.
I know. Oh. This is like heaven. All right.
That is,
Now we
actually, I've never seen a block of chocolate that big.
Look at that.
That looks amazing. Thank you, Cadbury.
All right. Oh, hang on. I was sent to put
I
it wrong.
thought we were going to throw it on there. When do we cut the onion up? Do we cut an onion? I want to cut an onion.
We just break this block of chocolate up. Just keep breaking it up, chuck it in. One for the
One for the
thing,
pot, one for the
one
mouth.
for me. You know how
I'm
it
not
goes?
doing the chocolate thing. I'd rather have some biscuits and some dip.
Right.
All right. Now what do we do with that? We just smash that on there now.
No,
No, we don't do that either.
I'm still eating bloody chocolate. Chuck that in the microwave.
Back in the microwave we go. We'll come back in a second. We'll let you know how long that takes. Now while Amanda's off doing that, the last cooking video that we did, we made some Jim Beam coleslaw. Now, unfortunately, thank you Hunter, fortunately, we had a bit too much to drink while we were making that, and you know what, we just served the burgers up to the kids at the end of the day. So this is what the coleslaw is, or slaw, is actually, woo, Almost put that in your chocolate slice, your Mars bar slice. This is what the Mars bar, well, this is what the coleslaw is meant to look like. Now guys, if you've never tried this, please make sure that you go back and watch this video up here. This dressing is to die for. I've got to tell you, I stole it from Jamie Oliver, and I think from now on, I'm going to start using it to dip all my prawns and everything else in because it's so versatile, you can use it anywhere. So Amanda's over at the microwave right now. She's about to hit the button. Buttons are going in the background. She'll be back in a second and she'll let us know how long that took. Alright guys, so Amanda's now just finished over at the microwave. She's bringing it back. What did we end up with? How much time do we have?
Not a lot.
Not
Make
a
sure
lot.
this gets on before it goes.
Well, this is a fast working recipe.
Yeah. Melted chocolate.
That's
See
looking
that?
good. It's actually smelling good too. Thank you,
nice.
Cadbury.
Alright. Now all we're going to do is just pour the chocolate all over your base there, Doug.
Alright, you show us how you do it.
Oh, thought you were going to do
I
that.
was getting ready because I was going to get told that I was going to do it, so I thought I'm going to get you first here.
Oh,
Even the dogs are.
Paris wants some.
Even the dogs are getting into this. Oh, look at that.
She's thick.
Who doesn't love a nice melted chocolate? Over strawberries, maybe in a fondue, maybe on a nice little marshmallow.
Alright, I'm leaving the rest of that chocolate for Hunter, our cameraman, because I promised him the bowl. Alright,
That's how we like to pay our cameraman, we pay them in sweets.
so all we're going to do is just spread the chocolate all the way over.
Right?
Looking good.
That looks amazing, guys.
All those rice balls.
It actually smells amazing too. I can't believe the chocolate's actually got a smell. Never noticed that before. Well, I've never melted chocolate before. I always just eat the final product.
Let me do it. Alright. That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. Our little puppy Paris, she wants a piece too. She's calling out in the background. There it goes again. She wants 2 pieces now. Spoon looks good. This is what it looks like. What do we do now?
Chuck it in the fridge.
Chuck it. Well, that's easy. There you go. So while Amanda chucks it in the fridge, we're going to let that set. We're going to come back. We're going to have our 4 taste testers try this sucker and tell you whether or not they like it. So we'll see you soon. Alright everyone, here's the final results of Amanda's magical Mars bar slice. Now we're going to get the boys to taste test it and tell you whether or not they like it.
Thank you.
Grab a good piece, guys. Lovely manners, Jessie, once again.
Wanna try some?
I'm okay.
Wait till later.
Well, I'm on the diet. I don't want to look too big on camera. Alright, what do you think, Jessie?
It's really good.
Really good? Riley?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oops.
Noah?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. That one, look, that's better than any. Hunter?
That's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Is it better than Dad's cooking?
Can't make any promises.
It's better than
Wow,
my
very
cooking,
good,
guys.
Very good.
Guys, I'm going to have to teach you one lesson in life. When Mum says, is it better? All you need to say is, you're the best, Mum.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so
I've
if
learned
you...
that.
That's right. That's right. So guys, if you like our cooking videos, I'll leave a little playlist up in here. If you've got any ideas or any recipes you'd love us to try, we'd love to try that too. So we'll see you on the next video, and thanks again.
See you guys.